Here you go. Very best questions. Number 1. Which one of the following is not a fundamental quantity? Electric current, density, temperature, mass. Number 2. What is the SI unit of temperature? Degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, Rankine, Kelvin. Number 3. What is the symbol of the fundamental quantity? Electric current. IECM. Number 4. What is the symbol for the fundamental quantity time? Capital T, small letter t, small letter L, small letter s. Number 5. Candela is the SI unit for mass, length, luminous intensity, time. Number 6. What is the SI unit of mass? Kilogram, seconds, pounds, meter. Number 7. The SI unit of amount of substance is kilogram, meter, mole, Kelvin. Number 8. The SI unit was agreed at a conference in which country? Jamaica, France, USA, Italy. Do these questions and put the answers on the comment bar. Thank you. See you next time.